You better hurry. We're recording. We're waiting on you. Let's go.
Good morning, Math 9 in the PM. Today, we're here to shout out my boy Jackson, Elijah, Obama.
And it's hat day.
And it's hot day. Oh, and I forgot to say, Jackson's nickname is Papito. And that man would always be loved. And Papito.
And we're multiplying fractions. Hot dog, it's an outside class, and we're going to be wearing hats.
Oh, and my boy Alex, too. Don't forget about him.
And Dr. J.
Oh, yeah, and Dr. J. Yeah,
Okay.
but the white version.
You guys, you betcha, man. You guys get the multiplying fraction questions down. We're going to go over this together, and we're going to see. Let's whip it up, guys. Multiplying fractions. Oh, I'm frozen. That's why they ain't responding the way I wish it was. Okay. So, what's the action with the fraction when you're doing multiplication? Multiplication. You need to multiply. You need to just multiply left to right. Right. You just straight across, bottom, straight across the top. There's no worries. It's actually easier subtraction than addition. There's no common denominator. So it's this simple. And I wouldn't have been surprised if you did them as you wrote them down. 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 4 is 20. Is there anything in common with the top and the bottom there? No. Nothing. 3 doesn't divide into 20. No. Okay, it works with negatives too, rationals. That are negative. Negative 6 times 5. Negative 30. 11 times 2. Only 2. Can we reduce this one? Yeah. Divided by 2, top and bottom. And we're really divided by 1. Remember? We're saying, but 2 out of 2 is 1. But that's why it's an equivalent fraction, because 1 doesn't really change anything, but it changes the way it looks. So I've got negative 15 over 11. Now, I want to point out something with this answer, please. Came up a couple sections ago. No. Okay. I'm trying to clear. Negative sign 15, 11. I'm going to just write this same fraction. That negative sign, all 3 of those are the same number. You don't have to write down the root for the difficulty of building. But the negative sign in front can be top, bottom, or in front in the face. It's the same thing, okay? So it doesn't really matter. The next one. What about 5 times negative 2 over 7? You don't have to rewrite it, but as long as you're thinking that this is really 5 over 1, you don't have to put the word. Leave the classroom before you go to the bathroom. You're going to go pee. Get out of the room first. Well, sometimes I said yes to one kid, he just peed his pants right. Yeah. That's a lie. I just make stuff up. You said I'm kind of fun. Actually, you're probably right. Anything that's embarrassing or something like this probably happened. So 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. And then 1 times 7 is 7. You know what? For proper fractions, I'm cool with them as a final answer. You don't have to go then negative 1 and 3 out of 7. All right, but there. Plus, and fine if you mess up the butt groove, but it could Well, you know the cushion just molds around someone's butt cheeks, right? You know, eventually it's going to get molded to you if you wear that. It kind of messes it up. Okay, 5 and 7, and this is not a huge assignment. Now, I'm going to tell you this, and then we're going to have a little evaluation, because this is an easy section. So we're going to evaluate previous section. Oh, it went up top. That's right. Okay. Over and out on multiplied fraction, 5 minutes of instruction.